Top 7 Best Cake Turntable.
Number 1.
Wilton Tilt-N-Turn. Non-slip surface and feet. Weight balanced base. Removable top for easy washing. Smooth turning, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Multiple plate positions.
Number 2.
Sign decorating turntable. Rotates fluidly to either side. Comes with 3 icing smoothers and 2 icing spatulas. Non-slip surface. Non-toxic, food-grade product. Affordable.
Number 3.
Kootek cake turntable. Great for the budget. Turns smoothly. No noise while turning. Dishwasher safe. Durable.
Number 4.
Ohuhu Aluminium Revolving Cake Turntable. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy. Beautiful finish. Smooth turning facilitated by stainless steel bearings. Non-slip base and surface. Cleans easily.
Number 5.
Ateco's Cake Decorating Kit. Comes with 73 pieces. Totally affordable. Made of good, BPA-free plastic and stainless steel. Dishwasher safe. Good for learning.
Number 6.
Ateco Revolving Cake Decorating Stand. Made of cast iron and aluminum for longevity. Comes with a non-slip top pad. Easy to use. Spins perfectly. Beautiful design with a nice finish.
Number 7.
Kootek Aluminium Alloy Cake Turntable. The top is excellently stable. Non-toxic and LFGB approved. Easy to brush and clean. Non-stick surface. Non-slip feet and top. Tips for decorating your cake properly. Note, this is not a step-by-step guide on cake decoration. It is rather a set of tips that if you exercise, you'll be able to prepare delicious cakes faster and without a hitch. Preparation is key. To start with, have a clean workspace and gather all the tools and ingredients needed for the task: spatulas, smoothers, icing, decorating combs, the turntable, and everything else you'll need. Keep in mind that adding food coloring to icing to color it is easy, but taking it out is not. Thus, add the coloring slowly. Some experts use a toothpick to make the addition to get the best results. Don't cut the sponge super fresh. Instead, put it in the refrigerator for an hour or so to chill it. That way, you'll make cutting easier and reduce the crumbs. Use bake-stable food coloring when you bake a colored sponge for your cake. Otherwise, there'll be a graying color effect on your cake when you put it in the oven. When icing either with buttercream or frosting, begin by placing a rough coat of the icing. Then, put the cake in the fridge for an hour. That creates a strong coat that holds together the crumbs, so you can finish smoothly without any crumbs getting in the way. Want to avoid those unwanted cracks? When you roll the icing, dust it lightly with some corn flour rather than just using the icing sugar. You'll get smoother results and avoid the drying effect that leads to cracks. Place the piping bag in a jar when refilling so you can use both hands. That makes refilling easier. To have some control when using the piping bag, don't overfill it. When icing your cake, use a turntable. By spinning the cake around, you're in a better position to get around all the edges with ease,